Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to bold, italic, and underline text in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is a handy skill when you need to emphasize important information in your PDFs or make certain sections stand out for better readability. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to your files. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace ready to go. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the documents you've been working on lately, making it easy to find what you need without digging through folders. From this list, select the file where you want to bold, italic, and underline text. Click on it to open the document in your editing workspace. Now that your file is open, look toward the upper left panel of your screen. Here you'll find the Edit button. Click on Edit to activate the text editing mode. This is crucial because it unlocks all the formatting tools you'll need to modify your text. With editing mode activated, it's time to select your text. Highlight the text you want to bold, italic, and underline by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Make sure you've selected exactly what you want to format, as this will determine what changes are applied. Once your text is highlighted, turn your attention to the left panel. Here you'll see various formatting options. If you want to make your text bold, click the bold button. This adds weight to your text, making it stand out prominently on the page. If you prefer to italicize your text instead, click the italic button. Italics are perfect for emphasis or when you want to give a softer, more stylized appearance to certain words or phrases, and if underlining is what you need, simply click the underline button. Underlining is especially useful for headings, important terms, or any content you want readers to focus on immediately. After you've applied your desired formatting, head to the upper right corner of your screen and click the Save button. This ensures all your changes are preserved in the document. Give it a moment to save, especially if you're working with a larger file. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted text in Adobe Acrobat Pro using bold, italic, and underline options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.